Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to help you solve the PicoCTF Wave a Flag challenge. This challenge is way too easy, and make sure you keep notes of what you're doing. Right-click on this program and copy link address and paste it into your terminal. Use the wget command to download the file. Use the ls command to see if the file is properly downloaded or not. If you're a beginner, never get discouraged if you're using hints to solve a challenge. No one's perfect. Now make this warm file executable using chmod +x command. Now run the program using /warm. Make sure to use the help argument to get your flag. Congrats, you've solved a challenge. Subscribe for more CTF challenges tutorial.